Imagine a world where your salary, no matter how modest, is a stepping stone to wealth. A world where, irrespective of how humble your earnings may appear in the grand scheme of things, they possess the potential to transform into a substantial fortune. Picture yourself in a reality where every single penny you earn, every dime that trickles into your bank account, is not just a unit of exchange but a seed. A seed carrying within it the promise of growth and prosperity. Visualize these seeds sprouting, germinating into sprigs of hope in the fertile soil of your financial dreams. See them grow, fed by your determination and watered by your aspirations, into saplings of financial stability. Feel the strength in their roots as they dive deeper into saplings of financial stability, anchoring your dreams into the very bedrock of reality, securing your financial future against the winds of uncertainty. In time, these saplings mature into towering trees of financial abundance, their branches laden with the fruits mature into towering trees of financial abundance, their branches laden with the fruits mature into towering trees of your consistent efforts. Their thick leaves shelter you from the harsh sun of unexpected expenses, their strong branches are the pillars of your resilient financial structure. This isn't some far-fetched fantasy, nor a far-off dream. It's not a fairy tale spun by a hopeful pauper, nor a get-rich-quick scheme peddled by a sketchy salesman. This is a reality that is tangible, achievable, and waiting patiently for you to claim it. It's a reality where the size of your salary doesn't determine the size of your success. A reality where even the smallest income can birth the greatest wealth. Welcome to your journey towards becoming rich with a small salary. Let's journey into the heart of financial wisdom, where we'll unveil the secrets that will completely revolutionize your financial reality. The first secret we're going to explore has to do with savings. Savings, for most people, is often an afterthought, the residual sum left after all expenses have been dealt with. We are going to challenge this conventional approach and present a more empowering and proactive strategy. This strategy is known as paying yourself first. This concept might seem strange at first. After all, isn't entire paycheck technically yours? While that's true in theory, in practice, by the time we've paid our obligatory bills, purchased necessary groceries, and indulged in a few treats, there's often very little left over. This is where the concept of paying yourself first comes into play. Before you even begin to tackle your monthly expenses, take a predetermined percentage of your salary and set it aside. Make this action your highest priority. This isn't about setting aside what's left after all your spending. This is about consciously setting aside a part of your hard-earned money for your future before you do anything else. Doing this sends a powerful psychological message to yourself that you value your future financial security over immediate gratification. It encourages discipline and shifts our perspective on money. This simple yet profound shift in your financial habits can establish the groundwork for a strong savings culture and could potentially alter your financial trajectory for the better. This simple shift in financial habit can set the foundation for a robust savings culture. Now, you might wonder, what do I do with these hard-earned savings? This common query leads us to a significant aspect of financial discourse, our second point, which is smart investments. In the realm of wealth creation and financial stability, investing often stands as the golden goose. An intriguing concept, isn't it? Investing is not merely about hoarding wealth. It's a strategic process. It is about making your money work for you. It is about allowing your funds to grow and multiply even while you are engrossed in your life's daily endeavors, even while you sleep. The beauty of investing is that it doesn't recognize the boundaries of time. It keeps on working, ticking like an indefatigable clock. Yet here's a caveat. Not all investments yield golden eggs. Not all funds will bear you fruits. Some may fizzle out without giving you any returns. And thus it becomes absolutely critical to learn about different investment options before you venture into this territory. Knowledge is power, and understanding different types of investments can save you from potential losses. From trading in stocks, purchasing bonds, investing in real estate properties, to starting a side business, the palette of investment options is as colorful as it is diverse. It's a labyrinth of opportunities, each with its own set of advantages and risks. It is up to you to navigate through this labyrinth, to comprehend these options and to choose wisely. The goal, at the end of the day, is to find an investment that aligns with your financial goals, your plans for the future, and your risk tolerance. It's about finding that perfect balance, that sweet spot where your money grows without causing you sleepless nights. So invest smartly, choose wisely, and watch your wealth grow. Speaking of risk, our third point is all about managing it. In the journey towards financial prosperity, it's not just earning that matters, but also the preservation and protection of the wealth you amass. The perfect tool to assist in this endeavor is insurance. Insurance, as a financial instrument, provides the critical safety net we all need against life's unforeseen circumstances. Imagine it as a protective shield guarding your hard-earned wealth against potential financial calamities that could arise. These calamities could be anything from health emergencies to natural disasters, and without a safety net, they could lead to financial ruin. With the right insurance policies in place, you are essentially immunizing your finances against such potential threats. It ensures that even during the most troubling times, your health remains intact. This way, you can focus on building your wealth without the constant worry of losing it. So while you're busy building your wealth, don't forget to safeguard it. Our fourth point is about cutting back on unnecessary expenses. This is a key stride in managing your finances productively. It's not about eliminating all the joys and comforts of life. Rather, it's about making intentional decisions that mirror your financial aspirations. You don't need to sacrifice everything, but it's crucial to prioritize what's really important to you. It's about focusing on financial stability without compromising on life's simple pleasures. It's about striking a balance between what brings you joy now and what will ensure a secure future. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned. Finally, let's talk about financial education. It's a topic that deserves your time and attention, for it holds the key to unlocking a world of opportunities and potential prosperity. The path to wealth creation begins with understanding money and how it works. They say that knowledge is the ultimate form of power, and in the vast, ever-evolving world of finance, this power translates into the ability to grow and safeguard your investments. By dedicating yourself to learning about money management, investment options, and wealth creation strategies, you equip yourself with the tools needed for success. So invest in learning about money management, investment options, and wealth creation strategies. To summarize, becoming rich with a small salary involves paying yourself first, investing wisely, managing financial risks, cutting back on unnecessary expenses, and continuously educating yourself about finance. The process is a journey, requiring not only financial strategy, but also determination, discipline, and patience. Paying yourself first is a fundamental principle in personal finance. This means setting aside a portion of your income for savings before you spend on anything else. It's about prioritizing your future over your present, ensuring you build a solid financial foundation. Investing wisely is another key aspect of wealth creation. It involves making informed decisions about where to put your money to generate the highest possible returns. This requires knowledge of the different investment options available, their potential returns, and the risks involved. It's not about chasing the latest hot stock, but about making consistent, long-term investments. Managing financial risks involves protecting yourself against potential financial losses. This could involve having a diversified investment portfolio, maintaining an emergency fund, or getting the right insurance coverage. It's all about being prepared for the unexpected, helping you weather financial storms without wiping out your savings. Cutting back on unnecessary expenses is also crucial in building wealth. This involves identifying areas where you can save money, such as reducing energy usage, dining out less, or switching to a cheaper phone plan. It's not about depriving yourself the things you enjoy, but about making smarter choices with your money. And lastly, continuously educating yourself about finance. The more knowledge the better decisions you can make. Dedicate time to reading books, attending seminars, or taking online courses about personal finance. It's not about the size of your salary, but how you use it. Remember, every millionaire journey begins with a single step. So why not take that step today? In the world of wealth creation, the only limit is the one you set for yourself.